Sources have told NDTV that 23,000 Indian seafarers are stuck in the Gulf region near the Strait of Hormuz. Remember, as on the 3rd of March, 36 Indian flagged vessels have been stranded in the Persian Gulf region ever since the Strait of Hormuz was closed, and Iran said it would attack any vessels that try to move through there. 24 vessels west of the Strait of Hormuz, 12 east, and in the Gulf of Oman. 2 Indian flagged vessels are stuck in the Gulf of Aden. Let's take a look at this report by Shrimi.
So what we've been given to understand that, the Indian government is monitoring the safety of, thousands of seafarers along with the merchant vessels who has been stuck in the, the Persian Gulf of region around the Strait of Hormuz. And what we've been given to understand, the breakup of those vessels, so around 23,000 of seafarers has been stranded in that region. And if you see the breakup of that, 36 Indian flagged vessels are stuck there, is as of March 3rd is what information we are getting at this point. Out of that, 24 vessels are actually in the west of the Strait of Hormuz and 12 at the east of the Hormuz and the Gulf of Oman. 2 Indian flagged vessels are in Gulf of Aden. However, there is no such vessels, Indian flagged vessels, found in the Red Sea. So that update is also given. 7 Shipping Corporation of India vessels has been stuck there. There's no way to go, no communication is coming to them. So that is also very, very crucial information we are getting. In fact, the government has stepped up their monitoring from earlier 6 hours to now 1 hour. So they are reaching out, they are monitoring the situation every hour, which were earlier like they are checking on 6 hours. So that the kind of monitoring they are doing.